Hey, what up, though?
What up, though?
That boy Brandon out here with his Dr. Pepper.
Why are you walking like that?
Ask me that when I'm famous.
Yeah. Ask him that when he's famous. In 2 weeks. Bet.
Logan be like,
He's like, why didn't y'all put me in the vlog or anything like that? Y'all be on some
Rudolph.
freaking Rudolph red-nosed dumb old reindeer over here. Look at that freaking bottle trip. I seen it. I seen it. The car it was about to run me over. Watch out.
Look out. That was real about to get
Now they'll calm down. They'll calm down. Smile to the vlog. That's what we do. It is the next day. Somehow in Ohio, it literally started snowing somehow at 3 o'clock in the morning. I don't know how, don't ask me, it's Ohio weather. But there's not going to be much in this vlog at all, or this video period. But I am going to get some cinematic shots of my RSX. I will update everybody on what I'm going to do to the RSX. Here is cinematic. Alright, we are downtown filming the car. As you guys can see, you got the car behind me. RSX Type S 05. It's my work in progress. We're going to get a few shots of the car and pretty much make a video like that. Really don't have anything else to do with it at the moment now that it's kind of cold, you know. So I will talk about all the plans that I have for the car. So I plan on getting rid of the wheels that are on the car. Alright, before we get to the whole filming the car and everything, let's talk about Lowcals. Let's talk about my YouTube channel. I do plan on doing a ton of content for this channel with me and Brandon, the guy with the other RSX that's always in the videos, making the video interesting. That's what I'm going to call it, interesting. But I do plan on having shirts and everything made, hoodies, t-shirts, probably like lanyards or anything. Stickers for the car, obviously, banners, top banners. That's my plan with that. I just want to keep on making content for the channel, continue growing, and showing everybody that we can do it, we can make it. I would like to, later on in the future, maybe get a shop or something for me and Brandon to work on the RSXs all the time, and the project build Integra that he's working on as well. That's what I want to do. I want to keep on making content. I want to show everybody that we can do it, we can make it. I do have a full-time job now, but I would like to continue onto my whole YouTube career. I've been doing YouTube for the past maybe, I don't know, maybe 7 years, but I just never continued it. But with this whole car group and everything, I would like to continue everything and just show everybody that me and Brandon can do it. We can make a business out of working on cars, making YouTube videos all the time. It's what we want to do. It's what we like to do. But I'm hoping that we have hoodies and everything here soon. So I'm going to film the car a little bit. You guys enjoy some clips of the car. Hopefully everybody sticks around. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Do you remember when we used to run
We will produce a lot
away through the night? There is a story about us two, and it's written about me and you. Nothing can bring us down, 'cause we are together now. Not even time can stop us now, 'cause we are forever young. 'Cause we are together now. 'Cause we are together now. 'Cause we are together now. Nothing can bring us down. 'Cause we are together now. 'Cause we are together now. Do you remember how we used to run against the morning sun? There is a place where I wanna go, where it all started a long time ago.
And right after this video is done, we are going to go over to my brother's house and we're going to hang out with him for a bit. But other than that, that will be the end of this little vlog thing. But the next clip that you'll see will be me and my brother. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. I have a lot planned for this car. I plan on getting rid of the camber in the back. That's a lot of camber for me. And I plan on going bags here soon. So hopefully we can do that.
'Cause we are together now.